So good morning, class. Good morning,
Morning,
everyone.
sir.
Morning, sir.
Yes.
Good morning,
So
sir.
today we are going to start the revision of the chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. Okay. Let me first present the screen, then we will start our class.
Okay, sir.
Shubrat, you may stay in mute. Okay. Because if you have any problem, if you have any doubt, then you can unmute and you can ask me. All right.
Okay, sir.
All right. So we can start for today's class, that is from the chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. So the name of the chapter is Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. Okay. So my dear, today is 25th January and today we are going to start the chapter Magnetic Effect of Electric Current. As you can see here that we have written 2-3 words that you have to understand first. First is magnetic. Yes, wait, somebody has joined. Let me accept. Ayush Kati. All right. So you can see, can you see the screen, everyone? Is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we are going to start the revision of the chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. So here you have to understand the word magnetic, how it is related with electric current, how it is related with the term electric current. Yes, these two things you have to understand. So the meaning of this magnetic effects of electric current is how electric current can produce magnetic properties. Yes, let me give you an example, the same example that Subrat has given to me. Let me take a nail, and in this nail if I wound it with a wire, and connect it with a battery, then what will happen? Sir, current will pass through it. Yes or no, everyone? If I pass current
Yes,
through
sir.
the iron nail, then what will happen? If I pass current through the iron nail, what will happen? It will show, this iron nail will show some magnetic properties. It will show some magnetic properties. So magnetic properties like, suppose I keep here small pieces of iron. If I keep here small pieces of iron and I bring this iron nail in front of the small pieces, then what will happen? These pieces will stick to the iron nail. Understood what am I saying?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
you have
sir.
to understand what do you mean by magnetic effects of electric current. Okay? Magnetic effects of whom? Magnetic effects of electric current. That is,
Electric current.
whenever we will pass electric current through any conductor. Yes, whenever we will pass electric current through any conductor, then what will happen? It will show some magnetic properties, and this is only called as magnetic properties of electric current. Understood? This much clear?
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
hope
sir.
now everybody has a clear conception regarding the title of this chapter. Yes or no? The title of this chapter
Yes,
is
sir.
clear to
Yes,
all
sir.
of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, if I will write like this, it will be something: when current is passed through a conductor, then it shows some magnetic properties. like the example I have shown you. Yes, called as the term that we have said, magnetic effects of electric current. All right, understood?
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So this property is also used in that electromagnetic also.
In which property? Yes. Yes. All right. Now you see, sir. First of all, you have to understand here that magnet and magnetic field. Yes or no? Okay, magnet and magnetic field. All right. Okay. Now come on, tell me what you understand by magnet. Tell me. Anyone? Tell me. What do you mean by magnet?
So, a substance that can attract some metals or other substances is
Element.
called a magnet.
Okay. Any other answer? Any other answer? Ayush is here? Ayush?
No, sir. He left.
Okay, no problem. So, first of all, you understand these magnets attract the pieces of iron, nickel, cobalt. Okay? So, magnets
Yes, sir.
is a mixture of few minerals. Alright? It's a mixture of few minerals. Mixture of minerals which attracts the pieces of iron, nickel and cobalt. Yes or no? Which attract the pieces of iron, nickel and cobalt.
Iron,
All right?
nickel and copper.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So magnet attracts these three things. Some metals don't sing. They attract metals like iron, nickel and cobalt. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? Okay. Now you tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Now you tell me one thing. If you have understood about
Excuse me,
magnets,
sir.
tell me.
So why only the magnet attract iron, nickel and cobalt only?
Because magnet is made up of iron, nickel and cobalt.
So it will attract iron, nickel and cobalt.
Yeah. Its properties are such a way it is designed. Okay. This is the natural creation. This is the nature's creation. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, what are some natural magnets like?
Okay. Now I will tell you regarding.
Yeah.
Now I will tell you regarding. Now I will tell you regarding types of magnets. Okay. Types of magnets. Okay. Magnets are generally two types. The first is natural magnet. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And number two is artificial magnet. Understood? One is natural magnet, and number two is artificial magnet. Okay, natural magnet are those magnets which are generally which we obtain from earth, okay, by digging. Okay, by digging and taking out the magnets. Yes or no? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. But we are here interested about the artificial magnet. Okay. Artificial magnets are of different types. Some of the types are bar magnet. Okay. Have you heard about bar magnet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is, after bar magnet we have horseshoe magnet. Okay. Understood? Bar magnet, horseshoe magnet. Alright. Next is, you can say, ring magnet. Okay. So there are several
Solenoid.
types of magnets. Okay. Understood? Any confusion?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion? Students?
Sir, these
No, sir.
solenoids will come which type of magnet?
That is not a magnet, my dear. Solenoids is a totally different thing, but this is man-made. Okay, that is artificial. Okay. Understood?
So can you give us some examples of natural magnet?
Natural magnets, my dear, these are all obtained. These are some ores and minerals that we obtain from the earth. Okay?
Oh,
Which we dig out from the earth. You search in internet something called as a dolomite.
oh,
Okay?
okay, sir.
So these are the things. Alright. Now you see. But we are interested. So till now we have understood about the term magnetic effects of electric current, and we have studied about the different types of magnet. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So slowly we will get inside the chapter. Okay, tell me. Let me give you a very good example. Okay. Suppose here it is a magnet. Bar magnet. Okay. You have seen this type of magnets only. Yes or no? A magnet like this you have
Yes,
seen? Okay. So I have kept a nail here. Okay, what will happen? This magnet will attract it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I suppose I keep the nail here, will this magnet attract this? This will not attract. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It will not be able to attract. Why? Because this magnet has a range. This magnet has a range. Within this range, if there is any nail pieces, iron, cobalt, nickel pieces, what will happen? It will be attracted. But if something is outside this range, it cannot attract. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. You're clear.
Okay. Shubhan, can you hear me? Shubhan, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Alright. That's good. Now, let us see. See here. That what I have said that there is a particular range. Okay? This is a particular range within which if we have the magnetic particles, it will be attracted, and outside that range, the magnetic particles will not be attracted. Yes or no? So now we are interested. So this whole range has a name called as magnetic field.
Magnetic field.
Magnetic field. Okay. So what is magnetic field? The region around a magnet. Okay. Just wait. The region around a magnet within which its effect can be experienced. Have you understood what I have written? The region around a magnet within which its effect can be experienced. Effect means what? Either this magnet will attract. What is this effect? The effect can be attraction, or the effect can be repulsion.
Repulse.
Yes, sir.
Yes, a magnet,
Yes.
it may attract or it may repel.
Repel.
Yes or no? So,
Yes, sir.
what is magnetic field? Come on, tell me. What is magnetic field? Sir, magnetic field is the region around a magnet. It is the region around a magnet. Remember this term. It is the region around a magnet. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Within which its effect can be experienced. So the effect may be attractive in nature, the effect can be repulsive in nature.
Repulsive in nature.
Understood? That is called as magnetic
Yes,
field.
sir.
Alright. Now,
Yes, sir.
Shoham, if I ask you one question, am I audible? You can hear me properly, Shoham?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the shape of a cricket playground? Cricket field?
Oval,
Circular.
Circular
not
or oval?
circular properly. It's
Circular or
oval type of.
Okay. Now, Shubhrat, can you tell me what is the shape of the field of a football ground?
So rectangular.
Rectangular. That's correct. Rectangular field. All right. So if I will ask you, what is the shape of the magnetic field? What will be the shape of the
Sir.
magnetic field? Can you tell me?
Sir, circular.
How you can say? Have you seen that?
Sir, no.
Shape
Yes,
of
sir. It will be circular, sir. From that experiment, we can understand. From the
shape of the
cardboard
magnetic
experiment,
field.
sir.
Okay. Shape
Yes.
of the magnetic field.
Field.
Okay. So there should be something that can tell us about the shape of the magnetic field. Okay. We can call
That's
it
the
shape.
experiment that we have done.
Yes, there are several experiments. So we understand about the shape of the magnetic field by the magnetic field lines.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
with the help of magnetic field lines. Now, I have said this in a very simple way to you. With magnetic field lines, we can understand about the shape. We can understand about the strength. We can understand about the distribution. Okay, not only shape, we can understand about the strength of the magnetic field. We can understand about the distribution of the magnetic field, how it is distributed. Okay, and we can learn about several magnetic properties. Okay, we can learn about several magnetic properties with the help of magnetic field lines. Understood? Now, if somebody will ask you, what do you mean by magnetic field line? What you will say? If somebody will ask you, what do you mean by magnetic field line? Then what you will say? Sir, magnetic field lines, let me write it down as magnetic field lines, MFL. Alright? Magnetic field lines. So these lines gives the distribution of the magnetic field. Okay, so magnetic field lines gives us the distribution of the magnetic field. What do you mean by distribution of the magnetic field? It means that suppose I have kept a magnet here. Okay, you just see, suppose I have kept a magnet here. Okay, now the field around the magnetic field. Subrat, please, you can mute yourself. Background noise is coming.
Sir, it's so on.
Shoham, please mute yourself. Anyone? Okay. See here. Let me keep a magnet here. This is a magnet. Okay. Now we have to understand, will the field be rectangular? Will it be circular? Or will it be of any other shape? Yes or no? So we have to understand about the distribution. How the magnetic field is distributed. Yes or no? Yes or no? So this distribution is given to us with the help of magnetic field lines. Am I clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Now, sir, show us the magnetic field lines about a bar magnet. Okay. Now let me draw the magnetic field lines for
Yes,
a bar
sir.
magnet. Okay. Let me show you how the magnetic field lines looks like for a bar magnet. Okay. See here. The magnetic field lines of a bar magnet. Okay. So I think you know what do you mean by a bar magnet by now. Yes, this is a bar magnet. Yes or no? This one is a north pole, this one is a south pole. A magnet always have two poles. Okay, one pole is north, another pole is south.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now magnetic field lines, you see, it looks something like this for a bar magnet. Okay, the magnetic field lines look somewhat like this. Is this clear? The picture is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding
sir.
what am I saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the magnetic field lines look somewhat like this. All right, the magnetic field lines of a power magnet. So this question generally come in your examination, that draw the magnetic field lines of a power magnet. So can you draw now the magnetic
Yes,
field
sir.
lines of a bar magnet? Always remember, magnetic field lines.
sir.
Now we will study some properties of magnetic field lines. There you will understand few more things, that is properties of magnetic field lines. See, properties. Okay, properties of magnetic field lines. I will revise the whole chapter slowly. Okay, properties of magnetic field lines. So what is the first property? Can anyone tell me what is the first property? Shoham?
So magnetic
So the
field line.
lines travel from north to south pole.
Okay, magnetic field line starts from North Pole,
Magnetic field lines never intersect each other.
starts from North Pole
To south pole.
and runs till South Pole.
And ends on south.
Yes or no? That's why you can see in this diagram that I have drawn, I have given the arrow
Yes,
in
sir.
this direction. Yes, that means the magnetic field lines are going from North Pole and they are meeting at the South Pole.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this much is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the property that I want to tell you regarding the drawing of magnetic field lines of a power magnet. Okay, there are several other properties. There are several other properties of magnetic field lines that we are going to start in the next class. All right. So wait till next class. So this much for today.
Okay, sir.
Thank you all.
Okay, sir.
Okay then.
So tomorrow is a holiday, or
We will see
So
that.
there
You
will
will
be
be
class
notified.
tomorrow.
You will be notified earlier, but till now you think that you will be having a class. So whenever it will be your upcoming class, I will be discussing from properties of magnetic field lines. Thank you, class.